Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adjusting the time zone on your iPhone is a straightforward process that ensures your device displays the correct local time, regardless of where you are in the world. This guide will walk you through the steps to change the time zone on your iPhone. Let's get into it. First, locate the setting app on your iPhone and tap on it. Next, navigate to General. The next step is to access date and time. Tap on date and time. Next, you disable set automatically. Toggle up the set automatically option. This allows you to manually select a time zone. The next step is to choose a time zone. Tap on time zone, a search bar will appear. Enter the name of the city or time zone you want to switch to. Select the correct option from the search option. Once you've selected the desired time zone, your iPhone will automatically update the time according to the new setting. And there you have it. Changing the time zone on your iPhone is quick and easy, ensuring that your device always displays the correct local time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please share it with your friends, like and comment, subscribe as well, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.